Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now, let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 58 and a low of 48.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.